being perfect is a trap, and if you get caught in it, you will never be successful. And this video is not about delivering a sermon and giving you a lecture about how great I am, because I actually have fallen into this trap and I'm actually trying to get out of it. That's why I'm actually recording this video. I've literally just gotten back from work. I've put on my phone, I've put on the camera. I haven't even connected my mic, which I spent too much money on because I need some wires and stuff. And I was like, I'm not gonna wait for that. I'm not gonna procrastinate. I'm just going to do it. Because here's two things which are gonna happen if you try to be perfect. Either you won't do it, or you will control it so much, you will make it so unnatural that all you will be left with is a hot pile of garbage. Because that's actually what happened to me. Because if you actually go onto this YouTube channel and look at my first video, that was my perfect video. I spent days scripting, I spent days editing. I was looking at different softwares, I was looking at AI editing, I don't even know what I was doing, but I tried so hard. I tried to make everything perfect. I was like, I have to speak perfectly. There has to be no ums or ahs or any mistakes because, I need to be perfect. But if you go look at it, it's just so bad. So one option is that what you do is so unnatural and super trash. And the other option for being perfect is you never do it because you go into analysis paralysis, which is actually what I've been in for the past 10 months because I produced that. And the only good thing I did was after producing that piece of garbage was actually uploading it, because then I got feedback and people were like, awesome job on getting it done, but the content was really trash. You were really unnatural on camera, which is true. And hopefully it's a bit better now, but that's what it was. I got feedback. So that's literally the only good thing I did, because it's easier to move. It's easier to steer a moving ship than it is to steer a ship which is not moving. So that's my goal of this video, is to get the ship moving. And whatever you are trying to do, you need to get the ship moving as well.